Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Charlotte Sometimes using an easy method. First, let's focus on the core chords. You'll need to master just 3 simple shapes to get started. Pay close attention to your finger placement on the fretboard to ensure clear notes. Practice transitioning smoothly between these chords, building muscle memory for a fluid sound. This foundational step is crucial for playing the song effectively and enjoying the process. Now that you have the chords down, let's add the strumming pattern. This song uses a straightforward rhythm that's easy to pick up. Focus on keeping your strumming hand consistent, ensuring a steady beat for the entire piece. A light, even touch will help produce a clear and melodic sound, bringing the song to life. Practice slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed as you feel more comfortable. With both chords and strumming mastered, it's time to combine them and play the main sections of Charlotte Sometimes. Start by playing slowly, ensuring each chord change and strum is precise. Listening to the original track will help you internalize the timing and feel of the song. Regular practice is key to building confidence and increasing your playing speed. Soon, you'll be playing the entire song with ease. To further refine your playing, consider using a metronome. It's an excellent tool for improving your timing and consistency. Another helpful tip is to record yourself playing. This allows you to objectively hear your progress and pinpoint any areas that need more attention. Remember, consistent practice, even for short periods, yields the best results. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.